And we are live, even though we're late again. Welcome for tuning in to another edition of the End of Day Report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave price trigger reports that we give to you each and every trading day to help you successful in your trading adventure. All right, so another record in the markets today. If you have not been paying attention, gold hitting all-time highs. That's right, gold hitting all-time highs. While silver is still lagging behind greatly. All right, lagging behind greatly. All right, so we're going to run through this because time is limited. This is my third live today, and I'm done. I'm exhausted. So here we go. We're going to run through these charts. If you miss it, you just have to rewind the video and watch it again. I'm not taking any recos today. We're just going in. We're just going in. We're going to knock this out, and then we'll keep it pushing. All right. All reports are out, by the way, and everyone who requested for some stocks to be added, I've added all of those. I've added the what was it? What was that request? Was it the pro shares or whatever it was? Whoever put that in, you know who I'm talking about. I added them, all of them, so the equity list is ginormous. All right, first thing we got here is ADA Cardano. All right, ADA Cardano. We have a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Trend line support here should be the initial target. Okay, so here's the crash alert on the ADA Cardano. Here's the trend line, and that's where we are headed. All right, pulling up the next one here is gold futures. All right, so as you can see here, gold keeps pushing toward that 2100 target. I'm still in it by the skin of my teeth. Remember where I moved to stop doing the live trading session, so I put my stop. My stop is now at 2043.90. That's what my stop is, 2043.90. The market is at 2053.30 right now on the gold futures in the overnight. So still holding on to that one, still riding it. That's where my stop is. I'm not going to touch it. If I get stopped out in the overnight, so what? I'll reevaluate again in the morning. All right, here is the NASDAQ 100 futures. Keeps pushing, keeps giving us little trickles of upside production from these crash alerts, but you see it's starting to wane. It's starting to be a little heavy up here, like we're possibly topping out. We're not getting that that kind of momentum price acceleration. We got the momentum, but we don't have the price acceleration to match the momentum at this time, and that is, might I say, problematic at the moment. You normally like to see a continued push, not a flat line where you got these narrow range inside days of only a few points. So just something to be mindful of, but we still expect more upside because we're still in that bullish configuration. Crude oil has a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, as this one is looking like it wants to take off the 45. Remember I said that last night? Either we're the crossroads we were yesterday. Either you're going to 35 or you're going to 45. Looks like the market has chosen to go to 45. The Russell My Hustle, I have not been able to get into this one. We had a rally alert coming into today. The market did give us upside production, and I'm looking at a continuation into tomorrow. I might be able to catch a little something maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. All right, here's silver. As you can see, we're still getting upside production in silver, and right now the next target is 28. So I might be able to get back in this one tonight too. We'll see. I don't know. Let me see. Where are we at? Okay. I might be able to get back into it. I said might. I might. I don't know. I have to wait and see. I don't know. We'll have to wait. But hey, I'm patient. We'll see what happens. But upside more. Yeah, I see it coming. Okay, here is corn futures. Corn futures has a rally alert for tomorrow's trading. Trend line resistance here is the initial target. Let's see what happens in corn. I may have to get me some corn. I may have to go long corn. All right, now we have our soybeans with a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Kumo Cloud is the initial target on this one. They're going in opposite directions. Corn and beans going in opposite direction. All right, here is wheat. Rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The initial target of the trend line is not too far away. You only look at maybe 5 to 7 points, but I think we can probably get a little bit more production out of it than that. We'll have to wait and see. All right, Dow futures going into tomorrow. We have a rally alert, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like this one wants to run also. We'll see what happens on that one. All right, here is the Australian dollar. Rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading on the Aussie. Looks like the Aussie wants to go to 73. All right, you heard it here first. The Aussie looks like it may be setting up to try to go to 73. Let's see what happens. All right, ABC. Looking at ABC Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so we're still looking at upside here. This one looks like it wants to take off, and I think it wants to, I think 350 is probably the initial target if it can get that atomic momentum burst. All right, let's take a look at the Canadian dollar now. Canadian dollar, as you see here, we have now taken out the old lows, putting in a new leg lower. The trade is still to the downside on the Canadian dollar. Moving right along to the euro dollar. Euro dollar has a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Looks like the euro wants to hit 119, maybe even 120. All right, next we got the mighty euro yen. Just straight on up. The upside production, the gift that keeps on giving. This market has not stopped since the initial rally alerts back here. Just keep going to the moon. The trade obviously is on the long side of the market on that one. Here you got the pound sterling, same thing. The initial rallies and the market's been just keep going. I think more upside potentials coming there too. Taking a look now at the Japanese yen. So the yen, we had this rally alert. We got a little bit of production, then the market has pulled back some now. I think though, however, that the market might try to do another pop because it's looking like it could drop, but we haven't gotten another signal yet. So I'm still going to ride with this. If you're long and you didn't get a chance to do anything because the market really hasn't given you much, I would just hang in there. If you can't take it and you're afraid it may fall back on you, then go ahead and pop it. Go ahead and pop it. And I think that should keep you okay. You can sleep good at night if you pop it. All right, Mexican peso. Mexican peso has a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Looks like the bottom of the Kumo cloud is the initial target on that one. All right, Nat Gas, the mighty Nat Gas, the Widowmaker has just been showing off. Rally alert is giving you some upside here. And this is the latest rally alert is giving you upside production. The one prior to that was right here where you got your production. And then the initial one was right here. So you've been getting nice upside production. You've had 3 long trades in a row where you could have gotten in and got some production out of it. All right, so way to go on the Nat Gas. Think more upside is coming there. Looking at the New Zealand dollar now. All right, so here's that funny money thing going on here. So you had your initial rally alert. You got a tiny bit of production. Now the market's trying to reverse. I think this little pop rally, though, is going to get sold. As of right now, the trade is still to the downside until further notice. Looks like rallies will get sold there. All right, looking at the South African Rand, we got our crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. The trend line support is the initial target, and then the secondary target will be the bottom of the Kumo cloud. So looking for downside production in that one. Looking at the US dollar index, you can see here the trade right now. This market's trying to get its legs and find support and bounce. Will it continue to do so? I don't think so. I think that one's going to fall down. The trade is looking whack if you're trying to find a long position there. All right, looking at Bitcoin, the mighty Bitcoin was still getting upside production from the initial rally alerts back here. I think more is to come, more good things to come on the long side of Bitcoin. Here is GBTC, which is the Bitcoin ETF. I think this one has more upside to go too. Just remember these gaps, they'll have to be reconciled on the equity side of the market. These gaps are real. So I think at some point we'll have to back and fill, but right now the trade is to the long side of the market on GBTC. That's the ticker for that one. All right, Ethereum, looking at Ethereum's ETF, the ETHE. Right now, the trade is still to the long side of the market. You got this rally alert here, but we haven't gotten any upside production yet, but it's looking like the market's trying to give it to us with the beginning of a bullish weekly trend momentum reading. Bottom of the Kumo cloud, around the 160-ish level should be the initial target on this one. All right, now looking at Ethereum itself on the crypto side of the aisle, we keep getting that nice upside production. All right, so I think that's going to continue to go. I think this one's trying to get maybe to 450. We'll see. Right now, it's looking nice on the long side of the market. All right, taking a look here at Litecoin. Litecoin is looking like one and the same, upside production. It keeps giving us upside production. I think this one wants to run more also. All right, taking a look here at VeChain. All right, so VET, here was the rally alert initially, and we've been getting upside production. I think it can go a little bit more here. We'll see if we can eke out a little bit more. I think that this one is good to go. You should start popping your way on this one, though, just in case. Okay, here is XRP Ripple. All right, so here is the situation with the Ripple. So we have this crash alert, but we haven't gotten any downside production. Instead, the market paused and rallied a little bit. So I think it's setting up for that leg down. But right now, we're still looking for that trade. We're looking for that downside production. So I would give that another couple of days. Remember, we can lead the market 3 to 5 days out. Here is the next one here. This one is the ZRX on the crypto side again. You have this rally alert here. Haven't gotten any production yet. I think you still got time on this one. We got the bullish weekly trend momentum reading, so there is an opportunity. However, be alert though, because we could get another one of these back here. Remember, we had the back-to-back positive day, and then we got the down, and this was during a bullish weekly trend momentum. All right, so sometimes that can happen too. Watch the report though, and just use the intraday price inflection points as your clues as to what's happening. All right, and last but not least, we got the E-mini S&P 500. Okay, so as you can see, this one too has been giving you upside production from the rally alert, but not a whole lot, even with a bullish weekly trend momentum reading. I still think we got a lot more upside to go here, though, so not even putting anything on the table as far as a bearish reading, because there isn't one. You got the momentum on your side until you don't. All right, so that's what I would stick with. I would stick with what we know and not what we don't. All right, so that is how I see that one. Okay, let's see here. Give me a second. All right. All right, the LPNC is not coming up. I don't know what the deal is with that. Let me try one more time. Nope. Not coming up. Let's try one more time. Nope. Nothing there. Let's see. CAT, Caterpillar. All right. Caterpillar has a rally alert for tomorrow. All right. Even though it's in a bearish weekly trend momentum reading. So I don't know how much upside production we can get, but hey, just be aware that Caterpillar has a rally alert for tomorrow's trading. Somebody wants to take a look at a hack. All right, let's pull up the hack and see what's up. All right, let's see. Hack. What do you got for us, Hack? Hack, all right, upside production. Here's the rally alert here. I don't know if you can see it, but here's the rally alert, and you're beginning continued upside production. Looks like this one wants to go to 50. All right, so this one keeps on going. See what happens if you catch these things when you get the rally alerts. If you that's when you need to get on them. When you get the rally alerts. Because if not, then the train leaves the station. Okay, LPCN, I see you. All right, I got you. All right, LPCN, here is the rally alert right here. And as you can see here, you've got nothing but upside production. Looks like this one wants to at least hit that 210 mark, maybe $2.10 or so. So that one's looking good for upside production. All right, let's see here. What else we got? All right. The ticker is AM, and this one is an Antero midstream. All right, right here is a rally alert back here inside the Kumo cloud. Market is giving you nice upside, nice production. I think this one wants to go to at least maybe $8. Let's see what happens with this kind of momentum. Yeah, I think it's possible. It may even turn into a bull market soon if it can keep the upside potential going. You never really know. You never really know what a market is capable of. It can always go higher than you least expect, or it can go lower than you least expect. All right, I see somebody wants to look at a REIT. The ticker is PSA. PSA has a crash alert for tomorrow. All right, this one had the initial target is the trend line support right here. And you're not too far away from that. Second target is the bottom of the Kumo cloud. Because everything, the ranges are so narrow here, this has the possibility to drop below the Kumo cloud like it did back here. I see this leg coming on this one. This should put this market around $175 a share. All things being equal, you have the potential to hit between $180, $175 a share on the downside. That would be my target on that one. All right, and let's see here. Last one is BABA, Baba, Alibaba. All right, Alibaba, what you got for us? Okay, so here's the initial rally alert on Alibaba. You've got an upside production, and now you're getting another rally alert for tomorrow's trading. And Alibaba looks like it wants to push at least 275. So 275 would be my initial target. And Alibaba. All right, that's all we got, folks. All I got time for tonight. Got to bounce, got to roll, but you know what it is, PulseWaveTrading.com. You don't have to wait for the end of day reports to get the goods on what is going down. That's right. We get these reports out to you before the markets move so that you have time to get your tickets in so you can make that money. All right. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.